Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below, but let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what's in the box. Now, of course, you get your satin drawstring bag to place your unit in. I have not opened this up yet, but your unit does come in the bag, and then they went ahead and included your edge band with the company's logo, an HD wig cap, and it also looks like they included a Nadula bonnet. Okay, for those who like to sleep with their units on. They actually included 2 HD caps, and I am kind of feeling these darker ones, but they do have a lighter color also. This is their 7x5 pre-everything water wave wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. See, they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. They also pre-cut the lace. You get a comb on each side, get a comb in the nape area. You also get your adjustable straps. You get your removable elastic band. And then of course, this is your drawstring. Now I appreciate the adjustable strap, the drawstring, and the elastic band, especially because I have a small head. So this just helps with extra security to make sure that your unit is not going to go anywhere. As far as the lace goes, I'm personally going to go ahead and add just a very small amount of tint before I put this on my head, because it looks like it might be just a little bit light, just a little bit. So for safe measures, I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on. All I did was add my tint spray, place the unit on, tighten up my straps, and this could honestly be just worn out. Like, it looks that good. I haven't done anything, and I'm just like, wow, this looks good. Let's get into this hairline, okay? Let's get into the hairline. I mean, what can you say? It's speaking enough. So I love how they plucked this out. I feel like it looks really, really good. It looks very natural. It's not overdone. It's not underdone, okay? Because some hairlines, when they say it's pre-styled and pre-plucked and pre-everything, it ain't been plucked of nothing. But this one looks very, very good, y'all. I am just impressed how this looks, and all I did was plop it on my head. I haven't even done anything. As far as the parting space goes, the parting space looks really good. It is a 7x5 once again, so you can go further back. And then of course, you can also part this on the side if you choose to. And then of course, you can come on this side and part it. So as far as the parting space and the lace goes, definitely gets 2 thumbs up. I know you guys want to know about the fit on this, especially if you have a small head. This is on pretty snug. Now, the one thing I will say, even though it's on snug and I don't feel like it's going to move, right here on the side is where I notice a little bit of room in the cap area where I pull that string at. But do I feel like it's going to come off? No. It's laying down very, very flat. It's not bulging up here. It's just right here, right underneath here, where I noticed some extra cap at. On this side, it's laying down flat, but on this side, is where I noticed it at. Is it enough for me to be like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to deal with it? No, pretty sure I can probably bobby pin that down. And also if you feel in my head, you're probably not gonna feel it, okay? Don't be touching my head, don't be worried about all that. And then as far as the fit on the side goes, by my ear, on this side you see it looks good. That lace comes all the way over. And then on this side, it's the same thing. So my ear is not bulging out. I will say this side, I feel like it comes down a little bit more, but I think it's the way that hair is right there. But my ear is not It's not in pain, okay? Because y'all know I complain about that sometimes when it fits very weird. But as far as the hair goes, 24 inches. I am 5'2", so it's probably going to look a little bit longer on me. I'm gonna stand up real quick. So this is what it looks like when I pull it down. Putting this on straight out of the box, I mean, it pretty much looks done already. So it's really just gonna be about me playing around with it and giving you guys different style options. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can see when it comes to this beauty, because it looks good already. I mean, the review could be over with. Like, bye y'all, see y'all next time. But no, I'm gonna play around with this and see what other styles I can come up with. And then of course, I will be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. I had fun styling this wig. Once I took it out the box and added my tint spray, like I told you guys, it looked like it was already ready to go. I really didn't have to do too much when it came to the middle part. It just looked so good. I just added a little bit of my Tresemme Flawless curls because it was a little bit frizzy at the top and in certain areas. I added a very small amount of water and I was good to go. So the middle part was definitely my fave. The front of the hairline looked good. I did add a little bit of my mousse just to give it a more melted effect. But you seeing that you were able to just put it on and it still was going to look good. I didn't have to add any mousse if I didn't want to. So that was just me being extra. So then I ended up doing a flip over. I didn't want to focus on any part. It still looked really good. And then I did a half up, half down. And I pulled out a little bit of hairs and I cut them down short and I just like curled it and just kind of have some fun in the front of the hairline without taking away from the hairline too much. Now, if you're not a fan of baby hairs, just skip the process. You don't have to do this. My tail was nice. I just added a little bit of water to bring the definition back. And then for this, and then I wanted to get the hair up out of my face without doing a low ponytail. So what I did was just wrap the hair around my hand and then I grabbed my biggest claw clip And I made sure to wrap all the way to the top because his hair is very long. And then I kind of like tucked it under, and then I pinned it, and then I just kind of spread it out a little bit, and then I added some bobby pins that it wouldn't stick up in certain spots, and it actually came out really, really cute. So I actually like the way that this looks. When I turned around, it looks very neat. But because this is so much hair, if you wanted to do this a little bit neater, you could. I just wanted to give y'all an idea, okay? But yeah, this came out really cute. I'm not mad at it. Now, as far as the fit goes, like I said, it does fit me really snug, but it is a little bit big in the cap, especially back here towards the nape area where the drawstring area is. In the top part, I mean, there's a very little amount of space, but you can't really tell because of the density on this unit. I truly think that you can rock this one straight out of the box. Styling process, yes, I did get a little bit of shedding, a very, very small amount, but I expect that to happen with this texture, especially if you're going to be running your fingers through it and kind of combing through it. Just expect a little bit. And then also, as far as snags go, it's a waterway wig. It's going to happen, especially in the nape area and towards the ends. Now, I did not run my fingers through the hair all the way during the styling process because to me, like I said, it was already pretty much ready to go. I did not have to add a lot of product, add a lot of water. Now, I did diffuse certain areas, especially when I flipped it around, and that was just because I added some water to make the waves pop back. But other than that, I really didn't do too much. With the summertime coming up, when it comes to my curly units, I truly do leave them alone. Once I define them and they dry down, I do not run my fingers throughout the hair all the time. But this is definitely going to need some TLC, so you are going to have to maintain this. So for this length and this texture, it may not be super beginner friendly, so just keep that in mind. And if this length is too long for you, make sure to check out the website for other lengths. But this one definitely would be getting an add to cart for me because I just love how easy it is and how ready to wear it is. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know which style was your fave. If you are interested in this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.